Hello everyone, this is our public service announcement for isb202. My fellow group members, Nia Patel, Alec DeLuca, David Kiefer, and myself, Ryan O'Hara, chose to research about the air pollutants in everyday household items and how they are affecting not only our health and quality of living, but the ozone layer of the earth as well. When air pollutants are released into the air, especially the ones that contain harmful chemicals, it can be very destructive to our ozone. There have been many research studies that provide this topic should be looked into further. To start off, the ozone layer is what inherently protects us from the harsh UV rays of the sun. A thinner ozone causes our planet to heat up and can cause global warming and other environmental problems. It is something that we might not realize, but it can have a lasting effect for the generations to come. Many of these harmful products, like hairsprays and fire extinguishers, have effective alternatives that we can easily adapt to. If we try to steer away from these harmful products and find safe alternatives, we can make sure our ozone stays healthy.
Why is it a problem? It is a problem because basically the ozone is a layer in the atmosphere that protects us from harmful rays of the sun. So, when air pollutants are released into the air, especially the ones that contain harmful chemicals, it destructs the ozone. The United States Environmental Protection Agency has researched this topic, and they have said how air quality is the most important thing when it comes to the warmer seasons, because that is when the air can irritate humans' breathing levels. When the ozone is full of pollutants, it affects our breathing and can cause long bouts of asthma or difficulty breathing. The U.S. EPA has also said that they do frequent checks of air quality, meaning they use the air quality index measurement to conduct this. In urban areas, emissions from consumer products such as cleaning supplies, personal care products now contribute as much to ozone destruction as emissions from burning gasoline or diesel fuel. Some products release dangerous chemicals called volatile organic compounds, or VOCs for short. These VOCs can cause allergic reactions and chronic respiratory problems. Paints are another great example of home products that can be harmful to breathe in that most households have at some point.
So part of our PSA public service announcement, we were asked to include an audience and how we're going to prevent the air pollutants. Well, we were trying to reach the audiences of specific ones. First of all, we would want to target high school and college-aged kids. This is a really big network that we could use. Our second target is families because they're the ones that have a pantry full of products that can endanger the ozone. High school and college-aged kids are the ones who would look past the ozone alerts, and therefore they would be at risk of developing health problems. There are numerous health problems that could occur from bad quality of air, such as asthma, and as well as harsh breathing problems as children. That would inherently hurt them in the long run. There are also the people who can bring alert to this ozone problem through the use of social media, clubs on campuses, and especially through word of mouth. Families are our next audience because families with little kids should be more careful because they're the ones that can develop asthma as a health problem that can become worse throughout the year. So this is something they should pay attention to so it could be prevented.
This is important because as humans, we want to stay on this earth as long as possible. Many people do not realize that we are affecting future generations through products we use on a daily basis. When researching this topic, we came across the article from How Stuff Works and read on this topic. The author went into detail of the different ozone in the atmosphere, and we came across the topic of the tropospheric ozone, and how it is ozone that inherently made by the pollution caused by human population. The majority of the tropospheric ozone formation occurs when nitrogen oxides, carbon monoxide, and VOCs react in the atmosphere when there is sunlight. That is important to understand because what we miss while checking the weather is the ozone alerts that could be put out. These are important to check because previously we discussed how these health issues such as problems breathing can become a greater issue. Chemical substances that are used in most households are one of the leading producers of these harmful chemicals. People need to understand that many of these products such as cleaning supplies, paint, and beauty products, contain these substances, and they are completely unaware of it.